In this clip, we show you how to edit an email with Flow Email Builder. First of all, we select an email type from the email type list. We can do this using the search bar. Now we see the email editor screen and the content blocks for this email. From here we can add, copy or delete content blocks with ease. When I select a block, an editor is displayed. I can resize the panels to see the content I want to change. Drag and drop content blocks to rearrange them. Use the text editor to change the content. In this example, we will add a link into the email. Simply add a URL and save. Finally, I can preview the email to check the changes. From here, I can test that the link is working correctly. You can transform any SAP email with Flow.